G'day and welcome to day 4 at Labelexpo. My name is Wayne Robinson, editor of Print 21 magazine. This morning I'm on the Mark Andy stand with Chris Bodger, National Sales Manager at Aldous Graphics, which is of course Mark Andy's distributor in Australia and New Zealand. Chris, we're standing in front of the new Pro Series machine here. This machine's a flexo press, newly launched at this show. Who's it aimed at?
Well, good morning, Wayne. Thanks for stopping by at Mark Andy. Yeah, the Pro Series is brand new for Labelexpo 2023. It was actually launched only a couple of months ago.
Okay.
The Pro Series has evolved, or it's a derivative, if you like, of our Performance Series, our very high-end Performance Series range of presses, and our Evolution Series press, at a lower price point. It's aimed at the entry-level converter who wants a full hybrid, a full servo press. At an entry-level price point. So it takes all of those same technologies that are on its big brother, the P7, fully servo-driven, load and lock inking system, very, very fast changeover on the print stations and so forth. So same automatic register system, all the same benefits of low wastage for productivity. So it's a real game changer for an entry-level type platform.
Yeah, so it's a significant price differential to the highly spec'd high-end machines.
Absolutely, of course. Performance Series P7 is available in the same width as this, 13-inch, 330mm for us metric people. 430mm, we do a 510, a 560 and a 660 in the Performance Series range. So we go much wider in the Performance Series range, and we cover far more applications, you know, from unsupported film, shrink film, flexible packaging, aluminium foil. But the Pro Series is specifically aimed at the label printer. Those people whose bread and butter is pressure sensitive labels, 6-7 colours and varnish and a 1 die cut, and it's a jobbing machine to get that to help you increase capacity and so forth.
So it's a general jobbing machine, but with the Mark Andy Engineering Pro S in there.
Absolutely. Mark Andy are a company of engineers. Very, very top heavy in the engineering department at Mark Andy. They build products very, very robust, very strong, very reliable. Mark Andy Engineering is world renowned for precision and accuracy. The registration tolerances on our presses is just at the top of its game.
And that translates even to the entry-level press.
Absolutely. This thing will sit on a dime all day.
Well, fantastic. Who doesn't want that? Now, on the Mark Andy stand, as we're here, I'm looking at 1 flexo press, 2 digital presses. That's an interesting story, isn't it? That's
right, Wayne. In fact, you know, today you have to really think as Mark Andy as a producer of digital presses. It's something we've been doing now. I remember the first Mark Andy digital hybrid press. You know, we invented the hybrid press more than 20 years ago.
20 years ago.
For the last 10 years, we've been developing our own press, which is over there to my left, the Digital Series HD. This has got more than 100 units sold in the worldwide now. But we have the Pro Series platform using Konica Minolta digital press over here called the Digital Pro Max. We've got the Digital Pro 3 that you and I spoke about in this very place 4 years ago. So 4 years ago we launched Digital Pro 3. Now we're launching Digital Pro Max. We've got our Digital Series HD, and we also partner with Domino on the Digital Series IQ. So we have so many digital solutions now for everybody that could possibly want digital, from roll-to-roll production through to full hybrid productivity. I think if you look at the numbers, about 50% of the machines that leave our factory are digital.
Is that a 50% even from Mark Andy, traditional flexo press manufacturer?
Absolutely. Mark Andy have completely reinvented themselves in the last 10 years as a producer of digital printing presses. You know, you think about the people that make these digital boxes and digital label printing is, you know, it's synonymous with people like HP, for example, but you know, we want people to think Mark Andy when they think about digital, the same as they would think about HP, Domino, Durst, Screen, those boys. You know, we are there at that level.
Well, they certainly think that if they carry on to the stand, because as I say, 1 flexo, 2 digital.
Absolutely.
So,
No, it's the way we're all going.
Chris, thanks so much for your time this morning. It's been great to get a little bit of insight into Mark Andy, who the company is, where it's going, the new product that it has here. I'm sure it'll be applicable to the Australia and New Zealand market. Thanks for your time.
You're very welcome, Wayne. Thanks for stopping by.
This is Wayne Robinson and the Mark Andy stand with Chris Bodger, saying goodbye from this episode of the Labelexpo special from Labelexpo.